Here is a question to calculate the center of mass or locate the center of mass of a continuous body. So let's see, this is let's read the question. A uniform, first the non-uniform, not a non-uniform thin rod of length L lies on the x-axis with one end at the origin. It has a mass density lambda, and lambda function is given like this. Lambda is equal to lambda naught into 1 plus x by L. Find the center of mass of the rod. We have to calculate the center of mass of the rod. This is a mass density non-uniform. Let's see how we'll be solving the problem. So this is the rod of length L, and this our function is given. Lambda is equal to lambda naught into 1 plus x by L. It is given where L is the length of the rod. So and this the linear mass density bearing, this lambda means mass per unit length. This is equal to mass per length, unit length का mass this much. ठीक है. So we'll see. So how to solve this problem? That we'll have to approach this problem by the method of integration, because it is a non-uniform rod here. So what we'll do, we'll go from here, we'll go a distance x and take a small element of width dx. So how much length we have considered? We have considered length dx length. And that dx length will have how much mass? Suppose this has a mass dm. So this dm will be equal to what? Lambda into dx. Means what? Mass per unit length into length of the element. So we have considered dm mass of the element. And we know, we take this as the origin. This one is there, origin is here. So we have to calculate. How to calculate? xcm is equal to integration of xcm dm by, okay, I will erase this one. Again, I'll write xcm will be equal to integration of x dm element or xcm dm by integration of dm. And this is a small element, particle type is there, so its center mass will be at a distance at itself only. So it will be at a distance x, distance will be there. The center mass is at a distance x from this. So I'll take this value and substitute here. So this is equal to x, and this dm is equal to this one, lambda dx. So we'll put this lambda dx by integration of lambda dx. Okay. What is given? The lambda is not constant, lambda is variable. So lambda cannot be taken outside the integration. So what we'll write, or here I will write is equal to x into lambda naught into 1 plus x by L dx by lambda naught into 1 plus x by L dx. Lambda naught is a constant quantity that can be taken outside the integration, and after taking this will be cancelled because that is a constant quantity. So after that we can integrate this one to obtain the result. So this is our integration. So if I x plus x square by L dx integration, and this is equal to 1 plus x by L dx integration. And the limit of integration is from 0 to L. Because why 0 to L? To see, we have taken this element here randomly at addition x. This element can be here, can be here, can be here, can be here. If this element is here, then x equal to 0. If it is here, it will be L by 2. This element is here, it will be L. So if I integrate from here to here completely, then I will consider all the elements I will be considering. Okay? So once you integrate this value, then we can get the answer equal to xcm is equal to x dx integration equal to how much? X square by 2, and x square L dx 1 by L gone out common, 1 by L x cube by 3, and we have to put the limit what? 0 to L. And the second thing is equal to here, this is equal to x1 dx can integration x 1 by L x square by 2. After substituting the limit, what will be there? There is a L square by 2 plus L square by 3, after L is subtracting, and there is 0 is there, I have not written here. Then here from 0 to L is equal to L plus L by 2. So with simplification we will get this value to be equal to 5L by 9. So we got the XCM is equal to 5L9. So the center of mass will be located at a distance from here. We'll see I will go a distance 5L by 9. 5L9 will go. You will get a point where the center of mass will be located. That answer we have got. Now let's check the answer. What answer is given here? So you see that the answer is 5L by 9 from the origin. 5L9 by origin. So answer is correct. So